over 50% of you are watching the channel. Mara, you haven't subscribed. Bafethu, please subscribe. Let's get to 200k subscribers before the season ends. Subscribe. It's free. Welcome to Amabenzo to TV. Kipetwe Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Stellenbosch 0. I'm joined by Abuti Wadikuchi.
Hey, Stibo. Shap Prayam.
I'm not the Prachi.
I'm so Abuti Omakuchi.
Give me Abuti Omakuchi.
Yeah. Stibo Sponi came him Nandi, man.
Sure, Prachi.
I think we need to comment EPSL match.
For?
level igwelinyizing. Yeah, it has improved.
Sure.
And we also have to thank Mamelodi Sundowns.
Yes.
Yeah, without any shade of a doubt. Remember at some stage Pirates be winner league 60 points.
Yes.
But then they've raised the bar too high.
To a new level.
So it's all about 72 points. Sure. In order for you to be crowned a champion.
Yes.
South Africa.
Yeah.
So they contributed to that.
Yeah, they did.
Stibo namhlanje sibona igame emnandi. But after so many years,
yeah.
Ayikaze yenzakala ukuthi sonke sibadluti ku TV uma ngabe kuthiwa ileague iya emaphethelweni.
Ne.
So i-standard se-PSL sikwelinye izinga manje.
Very competitive.
And let's also congratulate the Orlando Pirates. They are beginning to do their things right.
Yeah.
Rivero Figile, I've said it in the past.
Yes,
ukuthi i-management, because we found i-management's will.
Sure, Prachi.
Angeke team perform njenge-Pirates.
Yeah,
and here we're competing with people that are using a lot of money.
Yeah.
But Tina, we're using a raw talent.
Yeah.
A South African talent, by the way.
Yes, local.
Because also, if you listen to our chairman,
yes.
Ukutshela straight ukuthi Tina, we want to unearth a lot of players,
yeah.
so that we can also contribute in the well-being of Ibafana Bafana.
Yeah.
So that is a vision of the Orlando Pirates,
yeah.
and we congratulate management here too.
Sure, Prachi.
Because they have also taken us serious as fans. Yeah, sometimes it's painful to support a big badge.
Yeah.
But the big badge in return support wena. Tina singama fans who are doing our work.
Yes.
Our work is to go to the stadium and support the badge.
Yes.
Equally so, the management needs to plow back.
Yeah.
So that nathi siyajabula singama fans.
No,
we benefit nothing.
Yeah.
By the way, we're using our resources to attend all these games. Yeah. So if basi entertainer now I feel next we are losing anything.
Yes. Yes. We are enjoying.
There's an issue that has been raised by Hugo Bros. Hugo Bros masizoya AFCON. He said I've got a problem ngombatha.
No talent, yeah.
I also have a problem when I says.
Yes.
Because the Pirates is not utilizing them.
Yeah.
So it becomes difficult for me to take them to AFCON if they are not being utilized at home.
Yeah.
So all that we are saying to the coach, to the technical team, Uguti, let's protect the national assets. Yes, we understand we've got strikers.
Yeah.
But you've got a person like Ngwanases. He came today.
Yeah.
And he made a difference.
Yeah, he did.
Now that tells you, Guti, why this particular player is forever being called into the camp Ibafana Bafana.
Yeah.
So we're saying in all these players that are playing for Ibafana Bafana, give them minutes.
Yeah.
So that we give them the opportunity to go to the World Cup as well and represent us. Because it also grows, it strengthens the team mentally.
It does.
After a World Cup, there's a curve.
Yes.
Obviously, Pirates will be in a second spot or first spot.
Yes.
Where Pirates will have to go and utilize the same players.
Yes.
So we're saying utilize them, give them minutes.
Yeah.
And Masba utilize Agulama big stages. We're also improving our chances to do better Ulama AFCONs.
Yes.
That's what I actually wanted to say.
Yes.
I congratulate again Usipho Chain.
Yeah.
Blame him ngendlela ofuna ukumblame ngayo. But today une clean sheet yobungaki 18.
Imagine
18 clean sheets. He surpasses almost everybody ku PSL.
Nabo Peterson laba.
Yeah, Peterson.
Hey.
Which Peterson?
Chiefs.
Nomdlulile ngithi uPeterson bekaloka korwa amagolunyana amaningi
so makhosi bewalo kakhuluma mina I thought uPeterson umuntu ophethe
no we can't compare no Steve
uyabakhumbulana noma se-FNB
no
abakhampeni uPeterson nikhohliwe right
ulimele lo muntu angeke afike lapha so we congratulate uSipho Chain as well.
Yes Pachi.
I know ukuthi ukuthi angabizwa masidlala nabo Panama.
Yes.
It was just a setback.
Yes,
But I'm definitely sure ukuthi ucoach uzamthatha amise USA.
Yeah.
Lastly, Stibo.
Yes, Prache.
Mina, I want to congratulate the Minister of Sports.
Yes, Prache.
In the previous days, Stibo, people used to go to AFCON's World Cup, rugby, without us knowing what was the process.
Yes,
but this time around, at least there's something that they've done.
There was,
They've advertised and they said people should send their clips so that, the adjudicating team can choose, amongst those fans.
Yes, President.
And if you didn't apply into that particular process, you can't blame the minister.
It's not their fault.
But I applaud the minister for at least giving us the platform and a transparent platform, by the way.
Yes,
and for that, I'm saying, Minister, we are grateful as fans.
Yeah.
To those that have been selected, they should go well as Namona, Stibo. Let them go there and support the team.
Ngiyakuthola, Prache.
Siyabonga, Stibo.
Thank you, Prache. Thank you, Prache. Thank you.